Delicious.
Look at Ava wants to eat the brownies.
No, I want to eat the brownies.
She wants to. Well, it looks like she does.
No.
My turn.
Yeah. Hold the bowl.
They're in there.
They're stirred in.
That's it.
Yep.
Where is that end?
Maybe Ava would like to take a turn. You want to take a turn?
Do you want to hold the spoon?
Yeah.
Can you hold it? Here.
You want a spoon? Oh, is
Look
Ava
at Ava.
with
She's making brownies.
us? Yum. These are going to be such good brownies.
Hold it.